My name is Tony Blessed. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe, and today we are going to be speaking on a very important topic. And today we are going to be speaking on the causes of recession in Nigeria economy. So do well to keep on watching this video to learn the causes of recession in Nigerian economy and also probably the whole universe. That may be. Thanks.
Yeah.
Business. Now we say, what is the cause of recession in Nigerian economy? Nigeria is an independent country who controls their economy, their resources within themselves. Their resources like gold, crude, oil, and other stuffs, which means their economy is within themselves. But now we now come to discover that recession often occurs in the country called Nigeria. And we're asking the question, why is recession always occurring in Nigeria? What is the cause of the recession? Now, so many research has been done, still no answer. But Tony Blessed today has come with an answer to this. And in a short while, not too long sentences. First of all, high inflation is the number one cause of recession in Nigeria economy. Nigeria is supposed to be among the first 10th largest economy due to their oil, but they are in the 24th list, which at least recession will be occurring. But today, I bring you the causes, and by next week, try keep on watching and see the solution. Number one cause is high inflation, which is the rising of price of goods and services. Rising of price of goods and services without control. Nigeria as a nation does not have price regulatory. Everybody has price as they want. Organization have this price as they want. Business companies has price as they want. Due to what? There is no price regulatory service, and which will lead to affecting the consumers. And whenever something affects the consumers, then you now discover that high inflation is leading to low purchasing. It's decreasing the power of purchasing goods and services, which will now lead to recession. First point. Another one is accumulation of debt, especially foreign debt. When they accumulate foreign debt into the nation, maybe to build railways, maybe to build roads, they go in and accumulate foreign debts. This will now lead to recession, by which when the money which they have gathered from their resources, instead of using it to make life very cool for the consumers or for the people living in the country, it is now used to be paid as debt, which will now lead to recession. Then number 3 and the last is decrease in wage and income. You discover that the federal government of Nigeria would always say minimum wage, and minimum wage will lead to the income of a person. When they decrease the minimum wage, when organization, companies, due to without regulatory services decrease and decreases as they want, it will not be affecting the consumers. When it's affecting the consumers, it's now affecting the power of purchasing. And whenever something is affecting the power of purchasing, you know what? It's leading to recession. I hope these videos have imparted something into you. Please do well to subscribe, click the subscription button, and make sure you share this video and also like it. Please, these are the 3 causes of recession in Nigeria. By next week, we are going to be talking about the solution. Please subscribe to be there by next week.